you guys, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to the final day of 30 Days of Sketches with Chrissy from Chrissy's Beautiful Life. Yes, it's the 31st today. It's a bonus sketch. There were so many exclusive sketches that were just amazing given to Christy to start doing her 30 Days of Sketches with exclusive sketches only because of all the drama that happened, that she decided there were 31 days in October. Why the heck not? So the last day is by Jennifer Gagne. I think it's Gagne. You know what? We're friends. We chat on occasion, and I really don't know how to pronounce her last name. It's probably French because it's Canadian. Gagne? I don't know. Anywho, Jen, Kay's mom on YouTube, designed the sketch. I loved it. I was able to get so much stuff from my stash used up. I did this one when I was at a scrapbook retreat. So that's why I have just a share for you. But I took a bunch of random things and just created this adorable layout of my niece eating an ice cream cone, which I gotta put the date on this. But this is a Creative Memories paper. These are branding strips from Coco Vanilla Studio and from Bo Bunny. These are stickers from Bo Bunny, and ephemera pieces and stickers from Coco Vanilla Studio. This is a homemade pattern paper I made from the Blank to Bold class, what I had left of it. This is some Heidi Swapp Sun Chaser thickers. And actually, I think this is a Heidi Swapp Sun Chaser paper. Branding strips. This is from Bo Bunny. These foam, these are from Bo Bunny. Coco Vanilla, Bo Bunny. Some tissue paper. I layered so many things up, and I was surprised at all the colors that actually went together in those few collections. And then I splattered it with some Caribbean Sunsets. Is it a spritz from Shimmers? I don't remember. Let me grab it if I can find it. My goal is every time I use a Shimmers spray to put it back and put them in an order so I can find them again. Anywho, it's Caribbean. Oh yeah, spritz. I was right. So it has the tiniest bit of shimmer, not as much as the regular colorings, or I think that's right. I don't remember. I'm just rambling now. But anywho, I love the way this turned out. There's tons of color, but it all kind of goes together, and I really like it. So I hope you guys enjoy. So make sure you check out the playlist if you haven't seen even a tiny amount of all the videos that are in that playlist. There's so many. If you want to just go binge watch some 30 Days of Sketches, check out the playlist down below. Everyone who's played along for the entire month is on that playlist. So yeah, you can just have a good old snuggle in with some cool, crisp fall weather and binge watch some YouTube videos. Scrapbooking. But that is my take. I really love this sketch. It's awesome. Way to go, Jen. It's a good sketch. I like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this month, and we'll see you next time.